Hey guys, happy Monday. Brad Niccum here, Nest Mortgage Group. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving and a wonderful weekend. And I don't know about you, but it was a busy one for me with multiple pre-approvals, new buyers jumping into the market Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's pretty awesome, kicking out 9 or 10 brand new pre-approvals on a holiday weekend. Also picked up a couple of purchase agreements today, so that tells me that it was definitely a busy weekend for the realtors that I work with too. I still get a lot of people asking about, what are housing prices doing? Kind of what's the market update? Should I sell my house today or should I buy or should I wait? If you think about it, the media has been negative about housing for the last 10 years. Outlets have been telling people not to buy a home. But home values are up 115% from 2012 and 39% over the last 2 years. The media has been pushing this narrative that housing's in a recession and that home prices are down sharply on a year-over-year basis. Year-over-year, appreciation has decelerated from 20% to 13%, and the media is stating that this is the biggest decline in house prices we've ever seen. But this is just a decline in home price appreciation, not a drop in home values. It's important to note that actual appreciation, according to the Case Shiller report, is only down 1.5% from the peak period and will likely continue to come down over the next 2 months as these peak interest rates have not been fully factored into those numbers. But we've seen deceleration in home pricing on a year-over-year basis in the past. In 2018, year-over-year appreciation decelerated from 6.5% to 3%. In 2019, this was a 55% deceleration. While we still saw home price gains, we've also saw deceleration in 2021 while seeing home price gains. So really what that's saying is even though the growth in home prices slowed down, home prices still continued to go up. If you look from the peak in 2021 to today, the year-over-year appreciation went from 20% to 13%, which is a 35% deceleration. But the media won't tell you that. We'll likely see some additional softness. We think that when rates do come down, hopefully into the 5% next year, we'll see re-acceleration in appreciation. So when you think about that, when they talk about, inflation has dropped, from 8.7% to 8.2%, that still means all of your stuff went up 8.2%. It doesn't mean any of the things came down in price, which is the same with housing. We keep talking about how, it's really slowed down out there and the market's really changed, but I'm still having people that are not getting multiple offers accepted. So that tells me the market is still very strong and that now is a great time to buy, especially when rates do come down. More people will jump into that market and could cause us to see that over list price and multiple bids on each property. And keep in mind, if you buy today, you'll always be able to refinance in the future when rates do come down. So a little bit of news this week. Thursday, we'll see the CPE report, which is a lot like the CPI report. It's a report on inflation that strips out a couple of the things that CPI doesn't. We do believe that'll show some lower inflation, which should keep interest rates pretty steady this week. Maybe going into the first year, we might even start to see them start to come down. So I know it's the holiday season, but now is a great time to jump into the market. So if you're thinking about getting pre-approved, or if you've got a customer out there that's on the fence and wants to get pre-approved to see what kind of numbers they have, remember, we're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, pretty much, doing 1 hour pre-approvals 7 days a week. Our underwriting time is still sitting at 24 hours, condition clearing at 24 hours as well. Most of our conventional FHA and VA loans, we are getting cleared to close in about 15 to 18 days. So if you need a deal to go fast or you're still trying to get something put in before the holidays, give me a call, 317-538-9825. I'd love to help you out with your next deal. Thanks. Have a great day.